Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.
Black Shark Team welcomes you back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to easily and quickly participate in the second season of the Nodepay. Just follow my steps. It's nothing complicated, just a simple registration. After filling out the form, click Register. Enter your username or email and password, then click Access My Account. Click Connect, and a window will open prompting you to install the Nodepay extension. Proceed with the installation. Nodepay has been successfully installed and is working. If you see connected, it means you've done everything correctly. Explore the earnings and missions rewards sections. You can complete some tasks to earn additional points. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.